Now to a developing story that we are following. Just hours ago, Florida's agriculture commissioner issued a stark warning. Brush fire season has come to our state earlier than usual. It's an issue that we have seen for more than a month now across the Bay Area. In early March in Manatee County, fire crews dealt with 3 brush fires within the span of a couple hours. And just last week, this fire in rural Polk County burned more than 600 acres and destroyed a couple hundred outbuildings and caused evacuations. Then Tuesday, this fire in Highlands County, it came dangerously close to houses. Until we get some significant rain, it is an issue we will continue to see. 10 Tampa Bay's Eric Glasser was in Dover today, where state workers asked all of us to do our part.
The wildfire that does not start is the one that does not have to be fought.
Florida Agriculture Commissioner Wilton Simpson says the state's wildfire season is off to an early start, and the situation will likely get worse before it gets better.
We have very dry conditions all over the state, near drought conditions, are extremely dry.
Yes, and the ignitions are, the fires can start a lot easier as well with the dry conditions.
State forestry workers say there have already been 1,098 fires this season, scorching more than 35,000 acres. High winds and dry conditions are turning the state into a tinderbox.
Central and South Florida are extremely dry. The further south you go, the drier it is.
While some of the fires have been sparked by lightning, the majority, say state forestry workers, are started by arson and carelessness. They're asking all of us to help by clearing debris from rooftops and gutters, creating a safety buffer around your home, being extra careful during any outside burning or barbecues, and report any fires immediately.
We're just asking everyone to be very vigilant.
State workers say they have enough equipment and enough manpower to handle what comes their way, but the early start has been grueling, even before entering storm and lightning season.
Every fire that's prevented is one that people don't have to go and try to put out and put them in harm's way unnecessarily.
State forestry workers say there's also still tons of dry debris and downed trees all over the state of Florida after Hurricanes Ian and Michael, and that can quickly fuel forest fires. All it takes is a spark and the right weather conditions. And unfortunately, right now, we've got both. In Dover, Eric Glasser, 10 Tampa Bay.
And forestry workers say we now have additional resources in the state because of the conditions. An air tanker base is set up in Lake City with 2 air tankers. Those planes can respond to wildfires statewide. And the federal government has 4 helicopters staged at a base in Ocala.